It's nice and cool today. It's only about 31 degrees. So I'm going to go for a dog walk and I need to get some water, drinking water as well. So I've got my little trolley with me to go and get drinking water from the mine around the corner. It's quite overcast and there's a really fresh breeze. So it's really nice weather today. Yeah, and I'm going to visit my free shop as well. So come and see what that's all about. It really is a blessing to have this soft, cool breeze in August because it's usually blazing hot in Portugal in the summer. So this is just delicious. Hey Myro. Yeah. Also, I love these quartz stones. You get them in all different colours, the bright white and the reddish ones and the bluish ones. And I'd love to make a mosaic floor or some kind of paving with these. Especially when it rains and they get wet, the colours really come through. So hopefully someday I'll be able to make maybe some outdoor paving with some of the bigger ones of these. Maybe one day when I've finished the house and I've got a bit more time to be more playful. to be as fancy as Myro since they were puppies. She's neutered, but he still fancies her. So this is the water mine where I get my drinking water. It's filtered through the granite. So first Myro. She pretty much shoved me out the way so she could get next to the water. So the rattling noise you've been hearing through this video is my little trolley for bringing my water bottles to fill up. The water level's usually higher, but in August it gets a bit low because I have to stretch right to my fingertips. That's one. Two. And we're done. Now I'm going to have a drink. Cheers. Oh, that's nice. Spring fresh. So that's about 14 litres of water. Ooh, the sun's just come out. I can't see anything. So that'll last me probably about a week, maybe less, depends how hot it is. That will last me at least 5 or 6 days. And it's about a 5-minute walk from my house. So here is my little free shop. I started this a few summers ago because I had a bunch of stuff to give away, and there's not really any second-hand shops or charity shops around here. So I started this, I made a little sign, and it took off. People donate stuff all the time. It doesn't have a lot in it at the moment, but all sorts of things get donated for free, and you can take whatever you want for free. So there's some books, and looks like a bikini, and a few bags, and some shoes. Looks like baby clothes or kids' clothes. Some bags or baby carriers, I'm not sure. More books. Bits and pieces, a bag of clothes. So yeah, cool. Nothing interesting in it for me at the moment. Some magazines. Oh, I remember the Beano. A little cork bag. Some thing, I don't know what that is. So yeah, I just do it for the summer because there's no roof, so I have to put everything away when it starts raining. But yeah, the whole neighbourhood loves it. Everybody donates things, and it's completely free. I think every neighbour should have one.